Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy quinoa recipes updated. Start by rinsing quinoa under cold water, then toast it lightly in a dry pan. Add 1 cup quinoa to 2 cups water or broth, bring to a simmer, cover, and cook gently until water is absorbed. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork and season to taste for a versatile base. Mixing quinoa with simple proteins makes meals satisfying and healthy. Combine 1 cup cooked quinoa with a cup of beans or 4 ounces of diced chicken, then toss with chopped veggies. Add a handful of nuts or seeds for crunch and a drizzle of olive oil or tahini for richness. Finish with lemon juice, salt, and pepper to brighten flavors and boost nutrition in minutes. Create colorful quinoa bowls that are nutritious and fun to eat. Start with a bed of leafy greens, add 1 cup warm quinoa, then pile on roasted vegetables like sweet potato, broccoli, and bell pepper. Drizzle with a zesty dressing of lemon, olive oil, and Dijon mustard, then top with herbs, seeds, or a little feta for contrast. These bowls are perfect for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.